Yeah.
This fight night came as a blessing in disguise for Indian MMA. And what I would say is 2017, 2018, literally in those years, it's Indian MMA almost died. A death. It was dying a slow death. And there was not an avenue where fighters could, express themselves as martial artists and things like that. But when we started Matrix Fight Night, or we thought of starting Matrix Fight Night, the inception took place in March 2019. We came up with our first show. The reason behind MFN was basically to give a platform to the Indian athletes who have been not given that opportunity in a long time to be in a place where they can grow in such a position that they could be potentially a great opponent for an international fighter very soon. So that's how MFN began, and I think that Indian MMA lacked that for a long time. A lot of promotions came in India, a lot of promotions started, did well for a little while, and then they shut down. But MFN started with the vision to get the sport to a point where it would not stop, first of all, and it would be a constant circuit for the fighters to perform and do well, and let the world take notice that there are Indian MMA fighters who can take on the world if needed. So yeah, that was basically the idea behind MFN. So I think what they've done is they have infused new life into the mixed martial arts scene in India. What they have done is they have understood the pulse of MMA, that they understand what an athlete needs, what an athlete should be doing to perform at the highest levels. Like, just for an example, here we are sitting in one of the most beautiful places in India, a palace hotel. A fighter, when he comes into a place like this, he feels like a king. So he is treated like a king. So a fighter, by the time he ends up fighting in the cage, he's so clear with what he wants to do that he has to excel. And that comfort, that provision is what MFN has provided. So the entire Shroff family has this vision to, infuse this life into MMA, infuse the correct amount of nutrition, support, be it training wise, be it materialistic wise, be it financial wise. They have put in their heart and soul into MFN so that an Indian fighter would never ever lack anything to excel at the highest level. And I keep saying this every time, that we still haven't seen the golden phase of Indian MMA, and we are just probably on the threshold of that. So basically we've got a lot of fighters from the Northeast. We've introduced 10 new faces on this fight card. I believe Northeast of India has so much of talent, and we can have our own homegrown Jackie Chans and Jet Lis and Donnie Yens coming from that area. And giving those references, I only mean respect. And I feel that with this event, we have like a good number of Northeast fighters on the card. We have a female fight on the card, which is Jojo. She's making great waves, even though in the last MFN she lost that fight. But I think she's coming back stronger to prove her point. So I'm excited for that fight as well. You can quote me on that. So considering these fighters, and majority of them are new faces, and some of the old veterans who've been in Indian MMA for a long time, they've been names and waiting for them to perform as well. And we have an international event on Indian soil on MFN promotion. That is the main event between Afghanistan and Brazil. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to. So basically what happens is, for us, this is the fight week. Our fight week begins when the fighter starts checking in. Once the fighter checks in, we do a medical test for all the fighters. They are gone, they do their lung capacity test, they do their ECG, they do their blood work, and all of that is done just to know that they are fit to fight on the fight day. And today we went through that process. They checked in, they got their medicals done. Tomorrow is another day, there's another schedule that they follow. So like I said, with MFN, what we're doing is making a fighter comfortable with the fighter life. Till now, it used to be a fighter would be given some sort of money and in his hand, okay, come, let's fight, and you are a pro MMA fighter. We want to change that entire scenario. We want to make a fighter realize how important it is, the science behind fighting. That he has to cut weight, he has to show up at a particular weight, he has to eat less salt, eat more sugar or less sugar or eat no sugar at all. So everything is being taught to the fighter in MFN. If they do not know, we have a team that helps with us with that nutrition part also. And like I said, the fight card is an exciting fight. It's a mix of young and old and very, very fresh, talented, new faces. Another fight that I'm really excited about is Sahil Rana and Clinton. Clinton is undefeated. Sahil Rana is undefeated. He's come up through the amateur ranks and making great waves in the Indian MMA circuit. So that fight, do not blink, because that fight is going to be fireworks. Although it's an undercard, but don't treat it as any less than the main event or the main event, because that fight is going to be really, really fireworks. That's what I feel. The most exciting part of this MFN is that we've come back home. It's a homecoming show. Why I say that is we did 3 international shows, and the world's been kind to us during that. Even though we fought through the pandemic in the last 2 years, we've been fortunate enough to put up shows and give the fighters an opportunity. So yes, excited to be back home. And if you haven't bought your subscription, do buy it, because you're not going to see this anywhere else in person. So you have to watch it online on Book My Show. Keep the love coming, and we'll surely bring MMA to a greater height than before.
Eu vou mostrar a ele as profundezas do jiu-jitsu. Eu vou levar ele para o fundo, aonde ele nunca imaginou que estaria. Então ele se prepare, porque eu estou pronto e eu não quero menos que a vitória. Eu sairei campeão.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. به نام خدا. سلام هموطنان عزیزم. با این فایت ما زحمت‌های زیاد کشیدیم و من می‌فهمم که حریفم یک پیشکار بسیار خوب است، یک ریسر بسیار خوب است، یک فایتر بسیار خوب است. اما ما این فایت برای ما بسیار مهم است که ببرم و زحمت‌های زیاد کشیدیم و برای مردم عزیز خود، مردم رنجیده افغانستان، ما این فایت انشاءالله میبرم و برابان از و برابان مردم عزیز خود بسیارم میارم انشاءالله. با امید پیروزی افغانستان و انشاءالله یک فایت خوب داشته باشیم که تمام هواداران و تمام بیننده‌ها از فایت من لذت ببرند.